Tomato Sevai. This is tomato flavored rice vermicelli or rice noodles. This is a quick South Indian breakfast dish made using rice vermicelli, tomato and spices. Here I have taken 1 cup of rice sevai. This is store-bought rice vermicelli. Firstly, we will boil 2 to 3 cups of water and pour this boiling water over the rice sevai. We will keep the rice sevai immersed in hot water for 3 to 4 minutes. After 4 minutes, the noodles will look like this. We'll drain the water and keep the cooked sevai in the strainer itself. Using a fork, we'll spread the cooked sevai and allow it to cool completely. Now heat 1 teaspoon oil in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds. When the seeds start crackling, we'll add 1 teaspoon of chana dal, 1 teaspoon of urad dal, few curry leaves, 1 chopped green chili, 1/4 teaspoon finely chopped ginger and 5 to 6 cashew nuts. Saute this on low heat till the dals and cashew nuts are well roasted. Add a pinch of asafoetida and give it a quick mix. Now we'll add 1 small onion finely chopped. Saute this till the onion turns soft. Next, we'll add 1 large tomato finely chopped. Saute this on low heat till the tomato turns mushy. The tomato is cooked well. I'm sprinkling a few drops of water here to prevent the tomato mixture from getting burnt. Now add half a teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 tablespoon of sambar powder. Also salt as per taste. The recipe for sambar powder is given in the description box below. In case you don't have sambar powder, you can add chili powder and a little cumin coriander powder. Mix everything well. Now add the cooked sevai. Mix it well so that the sevai is coated well with the tomato masala. Garnish this with chopped coriander leaves. You can serve tomato sevai as it is without any accompaniment, as it tastes fantastic on its own, or else you can even pair it with coconut chutney. If you liked the video, please hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching the video. See you in the next video.